How to fix SleepIQ app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this tutorial. If your sleep number or SleepIQ application is not working in your device, firstly open up your phone settings. Tap on System Update. In here, check if there is any update for your system. This is very important because if your system is not up to date, it will not support the latest versions of the application. So if you find any of the pending system update, make sure to update it. While you are in your phone settings, navigate to Apps and click on it. Then head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Sleep Number or SleepIQ. Begin with for stopping your application, head over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. After which you can head back from here. Now sometimes when your application is undergoing an update, you might face similar issue as well. To check for the update, you can open up your Play Store or App Store and see if your application is updating or not. However, if that's not the case, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure that you are disable it. Then also make sure that the application is available for the region. If it's not quite available for you, the application will simply not work. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.